Hello everyone and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I am Zoe. I am very happy to be here with you today.
Me too, Zoe. It feels nice to sit here and talk with you and with our listeners.
Yes, it really does. I love these slow, friendly talks.
Before we start our topic, friends, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English. And please share this episode with your friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Now let's start our talk.
Zoe, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about a healthy morning routine.
That is a very useful topic. Everyone has mornings.
Yes, and everyone wants a better day.
So, Zoe, tell me, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that is early. Do you wake up easily?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Some days I feel fresh, some days I feel sleepy.
That is very honest. What about you, Zach? I wake up around 7. I use an alarm with soft music.
I like soft alarms. Loud alarms feel angry.
Yes, they feel like someone is shouting at you.
Exactly.
When you wake up, what is the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is sit quietly for 1 minute.
Really? Just sit?
Yes, I just sit on my bed and breathe slowly.
That sounds peaceful.
It helps my mind wake up gently.
I like that idea. I usually drink water first.
That is very healthy.
Yes, my body feels dry in the morning.
Yes, during sleep we lose water.
After water, I go to the window and look outside.
What do you see?
Sometimes the sky is pink, sometimes it is orange, sometimes it is gray.
That sounds beautiful.
It reminds me that every day is different.
That is a lovely thought.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
No, I keep my phone away.
That is strong self-control.
I learned it the hard way.
What do you mean?
Before, I used to check my phone immediately. Messages, news, social media.
And how did that feel?
It made me feel worried and rushed before I even got out of bed.
Yes, that happens to me too.
So I decided my mornings are mine, not my phone's.
I love that sentence.
Thank you.
I am trying to do the same. Some days I fail.
That is okay. We are human.
Yes, we are not robots.
After sitting quietly, I stretch my body.
Like what kind of stretch?
I stretch my arms up, then I touch my toes, then I roll my shoulders.
That sounds good for the body.
Yes, it removes sleep from the muscles.
I do yoga some mornings.
That is wonderful.
Not perfect yoga, very simple poses.
That is enough.
My favorite is the child pose.
That one feels very calm.
Yes, it feels safe.
After stretching, I wash my face with cold water.
That wakes you up fast.
Yes, very fast.
Then I take a shower.
Morning showers are my favorite.
Me too. They make me feel fresh and clean.
Sometimes I sing in the shower.
Really? What do you sing?
Old songs from my childhood.
That is cute.
It makes me smile.
Smiling in the morning is a great habit.
Yes, it changes the whole mood of the day.
After shower, what do you do?
Then I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Oatmeal with fruits, sometimes eggs, sometimes yogurt.
That is very healthy.
Yes, I try to give my body good fuel.
I like that word, fuel.
Yes, food is fuel for the body.
I eat eggs and whole wheat bread, sometimes avocado.
Avocado is so good.
Yes, and very healthy fats.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, 1 cup, not more.
Same. Too much coffee makes me nervous.
Me too. My hands start shaking.
That is not nice.
No, it is not.
Sometimes I drink green tea instead.
That is gentle energy.
Yes, slow energy is better than fast energy.
That is a wise thought.
After breakfast, I sit quietly again for a few minutes.
What do you do then?
Sometimes I think about my day, sometimes I write in a notebook.
What do you write?
My plan for the day, and one thing I am thankful for.
That is beautiful.
Today, I am thankful for this conversation.
Oh, that makes me happy.
What about you, Zach? Do you write?
Yes, I write 3 things I want to do. Only 3.
That is smart, not too many.
Yes, I want my list to feel friendly and not scary.
Friendly list. I like that.
Sometimes I also write one good thought.
Like what?
Like, today I will be kind, or today I will be patient.
That is very powerful.
Words shape our mind.
Yes, they really do.
Zoe, can you share a story about how your mornings changed your life?
Yes. Before, I had no routine. I woke up late, I skipped breakfast, I ran to work.
That sounds stressful.
It was. I felt tired, I felt angry, I felt lost.
That is not a good way to live.
No, it is not. Then one day I got very sick.
Oh no.
The doctor said I needed rest and better habits.
That was a wake-up call.
Yes, I started changing slowly, one habit at a time.
And now you look calm and happy.
Thank you. I feel better inside too.
That is inspiring. What about you, Zach? Any story? Yes, I used to sleep at 2 in the morning.
Wow, that is very late.
Yes, and then I woke up tired and angry.
I can imagine.
I was not kind to people, not even to myself.
That is sad.
Yes, so I changed my sleep time. Now I sleep earlier.
That is great.
And my mornings became peaceful.
Sleep is the base of a healthy morning.
Yes, without sleep, nothing works.
Friends, if you want a healthy morning, start with sleep.
And then water.
And then gentle movement.
And healthy food.
And kind thoughts.
A healthy morning is not about being perfect.
It is about being gentle and consistent.
Small steps every day.
Yes, that is the secret.
Zoe, I really enjoyed this long talk.
Me too, Zach. It felt warm and real.
Dear friends, thank you for listening to us today.
We hope this conversation helped you.
Try one small healthy habit tomorrow morning.
Just one is enough to begin.
Slowly, you can build your own healthy routine.
Be kind to yourself on this journey.
Thank you again. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Have a beautiful, healthy day. Bye.